Alright. Let's see, 2 gringos on this little bike. Alright, vámonos. Okay. Yeah, vámonos. I can't rub my foot. Why do they burn the cane?
Gets all the leaves off. I'll cut it off right here, and it'll be from there to there. It will be a piece of cane.
What do we have going on here, Mr. Rudico?
Well, that's some pork strips I have smoking in there. Put them there maybe 2.5 hours ago. Cold smoking them in a little brine of salt and black pepper. Yeah. Now this is something we call the wild caimito. It's caimito, but it's wild one. And so this gives it the flavor. A little extra piece, it couldn't fit there. Let's see what it looks like.
Ooh, that looks good. It looks a little tough.
Yep, it's dry. It's supposed to...
Smoked meat?
Yes, sir. I see.
Ooh, hey, that's smoky. So what is this?
Well, this is an old dryer turned into a smoker.
So you cut this hole in here?
Yes, sir. And I put 2 racks there. If I have more meat, I can put them lower. But like the fire was hot, I put it higher.
Okay.
Oh, that's fresh pork, fresh.
They kill it today, or?
Today, this morning.
So this piece, how far does my piece go?
There's a pig.
There's a pig there.
And there's the pig. There's the pig. And there's a missing
pig.
When I used to work over at
I have to
Carpenter's,
start saving my money. I want a new tire.
I used to run it to the tread.
Yeah, I used to see wires. When you see wires, that's when you need a new tire.
Come on now.
What are you drinking there, Alex?
Coke. Good for the health.
I want that.
Oh my, here comes the rain. You can see the rain coming right there. Over there, this side over here, that's Mexico. I can show them?
Yes.
Alright, right now we have a big pot of tamalitos we ate. On corn and chicken soup.
Alex, remember you seen it from up there?
Yeah.
Said there's big anacondas over there.
Really?
He's scared to go over there.
Boa constrictors, probably.
Oh, anacondas.
Man, it feels good up there. Only in a
The
pool.
temperature drop, like gets
Yeah.
warmer, just come.
There's another rain coming.
Mexico's right over
Might
there.
just
The
be able to
mountains. Hey, Devin, you want to go to Mexico?
Not really.
Widow! Widow! Some Volt. Bring back some Volt when you come back. Lumber mill with a machete. You gonna grill some pork tonight? On the fogon?
Yes, sir. Grill some pork on the fogon.
That's how you do it. Guy holding the camera couldn't do that.
But sir, he's not a good cameraman.
I'm a good cameraman. What do you think? Liberty, 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 liberty.
Not anymore. It's West Woodshed. Are you gonna start it there?
Yeah.
You gonna use this one?
You're gonna use this fogon here?
We'll go to the other one.
I don't want to get kicked by this horse. All right, horsey, nice horsey. Hey, don't, no, no. Is that funny? All right. Now we got the meat going, don't we, Mr. Roger? Is that steak?
Pork.
Pork, pork. What'd you marinate it in?
Garlic powder, barbecue sauce, black pepper, sugar.
You put sugar?
Yes, sir.
That's good. How many more? About 30 minutes more? Or? That one looks charred there. That's good. So how long do you marinate it?
3 hours.
3 hours?
3 hours. Yeah, 3 hours.
Did you squeeze lime on it too?
Sour orange.
Sour orange. Alright. Right now we're gonna cut off the wing here.
Okay,
Look at that. Oh! There's a nice wing for somebody. He's gonna get some wings. Oh, you didn't cut it all the way.
No, it's for barbecue.
This is a barbecue chicken
Gotcha.
for a birthday party for Miss Lady. No joke?
Hey guys, we're working some ice cream. Mitchell is the video man.
Uh-huh.
I'm butchering this ice, guys.
You're butchering the ice.
Yeah,
Is dead yet or not dead?
not dead. It's cold, but it's still alive.
Are we making ice cream the Belizean way?
Yeah.
Coconut? I seen you.
Coconut.
You shredded the coconut like we did for the rice and beans, and you squeezed out the juice, and then that's what you put in there, right?
Coconut milk.
Like coconut milk. All right, the professional's gonna do it. The professor. Oh, look at that. Oh, all right. Now got into high gear now.
Has a different transmission.
Yeah.
Old transmission.
Yeah. Angels got up and they walked around. We might need some more rice. We might need some more ice. Look at the ears on that sucker. Oh, there comes a big daddy. So they're just standing there looking at me right now. Nutri leche?
Yeah.
I would have said Lala.
What's that one?
Rodeo. I like the grill here. It's got chicken's going on the grill. So what did we put in the chicken, the marinade?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Malay juice of marijuana. Malay shot of Caribbean rum. Yeah, take off the Marisco.
Some limon?
Yes, we bring 2 experts from.
Oh, from the States.
Yeah.
What do you think, Mr. Devin? Falling out.
I hope the gas is enough, man. It doesn't have that much gas. It's gonna
Huh?
have to push the cycle.
Hey, the chicken's burning, Devin.
Hey, Devin!
Going up here to get a fried jack. What's up?
What is that, man? What's up, Smitty? Like a Taliban. You know those
That's what everybody says.
Amish?
Mm.
I ain't Amish. Close.
So you are a YouTuber now?
What's up?
You're a YouTuber now?
A what?
A YouTuber?
Yeah, that's right.
No, he's not.
Oh yeah.
You're Nacho Libre.
Yeah.
Where's Encarnacion?
In su casa de mama. What we got there, Jivy?
Sure, we have a snapping turtle, so we're getting ready to release him back into the wild.
I think we're good to eat. Have you ever eaten a turtle?
I have, but I'm not a huge fan of eating them. There's plenty of other stuff we can eat.
Yeah. Things got like paddles.
Yeah, so he's definitely a water. He lives in the
Oh, he's
water.
got
That's
webbed
why he
feet.
has webbed
Yeah.
feet. Yeah.
It's got a little tail there.
Yep. You can
Oh.
tell it's a
Girl.
male.
Oh.
Females have their tails a little longer. This one's a male.
Oh, you're like National Geographic, dude.
He's a little old. Look at all the.
He's not that old.
He's a little old. He's around 10, 15 years.
Really?
Yeah.
How can you tell?
The shell, and they grow slow. These
Oh.
turtles are known for growing slow.
How long do they live?
They can live pretty old. They don't get much bigger than this, though.
Do they eat in Cambodia?
Yes, in Cambodia they do eat them. They just actually set it just like this on the fire.
Oh, just on the back. Alive?
Yes.
Alive.
Yeah, and
Ooh.
burn it and eat it. That's how they would eat it in Mexico, too. Just in Belize, we would tie the head, cut it off.
All right, let's go throw him in the water.
We're not going to throw them in the wild. We're just going to release them.
I dare you to stick your finger in his mouth.
How much you going to pay?
I'll give you $1.
Now.
Oh, so you're just going to let... Oh, he's fast.
Yep.
He wants to get out of here. You not put any flour on it and bread it? Just
No, just like that.
It's not gringo food?
It's not hot enough.
Don't want to burn the fish.
No, pero si no está caliente se rompe.
¿Se rompe?
Tienes que ponerlo caliente.
¿Es verdad?
Así es, así merito.
You check it with your finger?
Chequéalo.
Was that funny?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. What kind of fish is it?
Bocona.
Bocona? They come from the river, not true?
Pescado del río.
Pescado del río está feo. The beans are ready. We're just waiting on the fish. What are you buying?
What do you gotta know?
Are you getting Cokes for everybody or just you?
Just me and my mother-in-law.
Oh, not for me.
No, you have your own money.
Well, you can treat me. I treat you a Volt, didn't I? Didn't I get you a Volt?
Yeah.
Okay. How many volts have you gotten me?
None.
See? Fat.
One small, one big.
Is a big one for me?
Definitely not.
I want to see you grab that pig. You want to grab that pig? We gotta move some pigs. Hog tie. There you go, Mr. Devin.
What are you gonna do? Just throw it out?
No, just a little bit for me.
All right, Wilbur.
This one.
It's got one leg. If we have feet, like feet.
I want to see that thing just bolt, like flat out, just. He's hungry.
We gotta calm down a little bit.
There we go, piggy. Got some ribs we're doing right here from a pig that we butchered. It's been on here for an hour, a little over an hour. Got some good color to it. Should be ready to eat in about another 30 minutes or so. Let that cook. Jerk. We use jerk seasoning and mustard. And hope Mr. Devin is going to be happy with the way I grilled it. Grilled it / smoked. We'll see what Mr. Devin thinks after we get done with it.
Rising up like a phoenix, been tired of pushed down the ground. Breaking my heart.